Hey, I'm Irish Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how to change out your closet light from one of those old fluorescent bulbs to new energy-saving greatness. All right, I'm taking down. Not a lot of light in here. There we go. There we go. Off you go. Boom. Safety first. Turn off the power. Boom. Neat. One. Looks like that's where the ground goes. Two. A tree. My God. Jesus. Big hole chunky in the wall. That's what you call builders call. No anchors, nothing. So we're going to do it correctly. All right, so we're going to install this bad boy right here. The light. There we go. Easy pin connectors. Got a punch out down here. And voila! Alright, we're going to use the wood screws because we have decided that this is just for drywall only. That's not going to line up with the new fixture, so let's line her up. Man. Really? Of course. Oh no, it should work. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, and now the moment of truth. Voila! Neat. Oop, be careful. Take off protective layer. Boom. Wow, that's pretty bright. Well, that was an informative video on how to put in a light. Notice how I said informative, not necessarily interesting and kind of boring. But check this out, this one's way better. Damn. You know what? They probably didn't even hook this up correctly. Because why bother? Piece of shit.
You're like, hey bitch, big bag of dicks. Happy 70th birthday. I don't know how old you are. You look old though.
Well, here's the piece of crap old light fixture. This 2-foot bulb, they wanted $10 for it. For just over twice that, I got a whole new lighting fixture. With burnt out bulb and burnt out ballast, because I never wanted to turn on. And she banged it around. It's 20 some odd years old. And the new fixture is guaranteed to last 46 years. Well, I don't know about guaranteed, but it does say 46 years. So we'll see. Maybe. If we're here that long.